video.
Mm-hmm.
So here now, I have finished this bay window. It took a day. Nah, it didn't really take a day. So it took the equivalent of probably around 4 hours to put this up. So as you can see, it's a bay window, U-shape. That's the door, hence why that is long. And this one here in the corner, which you can't see at the moment, but that thing needs to go up. If you just want to put it up. Right. So I'll unclip that. So as you can see, it is all finished. And I must say, they are looking fabulous. I love it. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this short little video, but I just wanted to show you that I am still doing curtains and blinds and so on every now and then to keep my mind active and to keep physical. But here I'm so proud. I'm going to show you it from the outside as well. But this is it. Thank you for watching. Right. If you think I was joking, yeah, you need the tools to do the right job. Right.